You got crusty scalp. Crusty scalp. You have a crusty scalp. Uh, you have a crusty scalp. Crusty scalp. Why is that so funny? Crusty scalp. You got a crusty scalp. Crusty scalp. You've got a crusty scalp. Crusty scalp. What is it? What's so funny about that? Yeah? A crusty scalp. You're the silliest. I know. Really? Liam, you've got a crusty scalp. Is that funny? All right. Crusty scalp. Why is that so funny? I know. Yes. What else? Eat those hands. Eating those hands. Hey, Liam. Hey, you got a crusty scalp. All right. Say bye-bye.